If you're a rosarian, you must already know, in reality, no real black rose has been discovered yet. Most are just deep, dark shades of crimson, red, or purple. Symbolizing power, elegance, farewell, and mystery, these best types of black roses are a must-have in your plant collection. Helfeti Black Rose. It is an extremely rare flower found only in a small village of Helfeti in Turkey. Though it blooms dark red in color, it turns slightly black afterward and reaches a pitch black shade at maturity due to a certain pH level of the soil there. Black Baccara Rose. This flower was developed in 2005. Though it has no fragrance, it looks stunning with its very dark, nearly black bud and takes a beautiful deep crimson shade when it blooms. Black Velvet Rose. It has a deep burgundy hue with a dark velvety appearance. This rose is high on fragrance and is popular in the perfume industry. It blooms every year in summer until fall. Black Magic Rose. Black Magic's bud is quite black and is often used in this form to give an appearance of a black rose. It looks lovely with its deep red velvety petals and beautiful dark green foliage. Black Jade Rose. Black Jade Rose is a deep, dark crimson flower that turns black in hotter climates. It's also popular as bin black in some parts of the world. Black Beauty Rose. In 1954, this large hybrid tea dark red colored rose was first introduced by Melon in France. In its bud stage, the reverse of the petals appears dark velvety black red in color. Souvenir du Dr. Germain Rose. This highly fragrant rose with velvety black to dark violet double blooms grows as a climber along with a shrub or a trellis. This flower thrives the best in partial shade that helps develop its rich color. Nigrette. First introduced in 1934, Nigrette is another hybrid tea rose that produces medium-sized flowers with a black plum to maroon shade. Black Cherry Rose. This beautiful heirloom rose derives its pretty name from huge, nearly black flowers. It's deep burgundy red in color with no scent and is around 3 to 4 inches wide. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.